So now we're gonna do these two unboxings here. This is gonna be the helmet and the headphones. Again, I will be putting the link in the description. I got this stuff off of Amazon. Let's see here. This is a new video. I was just kind of talking off the first one about the snowboard the other day. So this is an unboxing review of a snowboarding helmet. The helmet it's got the pads for the headphones, Bluetooth headphones to go in them. Just trying to go for comfort now that I know what I'm doing, I guess. The headphones have buttons for easy, I guess, like volume and play and pause. It also has a microphone for calls and things like that, so you don't have to take your phone out of your pocket. Let me see. The helmet is from Turbo Sky. Got a nice little bag here for it. Looks like it's wrapped up. Little bone. I recommend you measure your head beforehand. I mean, it should be fairly obvious. Most people know if they have a big or a small head. But what I did was I took like a piece of string, wrapped around my head, put it against a tape measure. Boom. That's how you find it when you look on the sizing chart. And yeah. All right. So another thing I was looking for when I rented the helmet before in February, this little clip right here. I got the goggles too, so I'll make sure to open those up. Where did those go? It might be, I opened them the other day. But I've noticed that with some helmets, they'll have like a little snap thing, right? And normally, if it's not this clip where it's open at the top, you want it open at the top, in my opinion, because if it's open at the bottom and you fall or something, or you're adjusting your helmet and that snap or that whatever it is comes undone. Sometimes it's not even a snap. Sometimes it's like a little loop system where it's like a little small bungee and it loops on like a little hook. That comes undone and you fall, you could lose your goggles, or maybe you take your helmet off while you're on the lift and they fly right off, dude. I can't tell you. I mean, if you've ever been on any. And again, I've been like 5 times, I'm no expert, but that was one thing that I observed going up the lift was how much gear was on the ground 30 feet below where people had dropped their stuff. So I like the fact that was one of the things that I specifically look for, so when you put your goggles on, right, the strap for the goggles will come and it'll get sucked in here. And there's even, I don't know if you can see that, there's like a little hook right there. So if they started to go up, that little hook is going to catch them. That was certainly one of the things I looked for. So again, measure your head. Look for that little piece kind of going upward. Don't get anything where it's like a downward kind of strap thing. That's it, man. I don't even really have to adjust it. All right. Let's see. What did I do with those goggles? Where's my gloves? Let me see. Found them. They came also from Amazon. So I'll put this in I'll put the helmet, the headphones, and the goggles. Right. So here's what I'm talking about. All right, so you have your little strap coming in, and you're gonna put them in this. Right. Now you have this kind of situation, right, where it's gonna be almost impossible for that thing to come loose. Okay. Then I also got like the little lip here. I'm not sure I mean, just whatever design you like, I guess. I gotta rip this plastic off here in a second. Right. Oh yeah. Right. Pretty sick. I feel like it goes, you know, it's nice and smooth. Here we go. Alright, so let's set that over here. Let's unbox the, where'd my knife go? Let's unbox the headphones. Come in like a nice little hard case, which is pretty sweet. I'll probably just end up keeping them in the helmet though. Yeah. So these are the headphones. They're Bluetooth. They are micro USB. I might even end up getting a, it says these are good for 10 hours. But we all know that batteries fade. So I thought about getting like a portable battery charger and then like a, probably like a 3-foot cable. So I keep the portable battery in my jacket that's coming. And then if anything, I could just plug it right in. Hopefully it's still, sometimes electronics won't charge and play at the same time, but we'll see. So the way that this goes is, right, just like that, realistically. And so when you're, another thing for shopping for your helmet, right, is you want to look for one if you're going to do the speakers. So I don't know if you can see this in here. Oh, it's starting to already come off. So there's like a little pocket in here. And so there's the sticker. Insert here, right? So there's a little pocket specifically for headphones. And that looks like that actually clips in. Oh, that's pretty sick. I didn't even realize that. Hell yeah. Right? So it's nice and secure, man. Built for comfort. There's a little vent here too, it looks like. So you can open and close. Probably depending on if there's, you know, rain or how hot you're getting or how much you're falling. You know, stuff like that. So on top of the jacket, I also have a mask coming. The mask should house the helmet with it, and then it's also, or like a hood, but then it should also have a like a face mask going to my nose. So as you're going down, your face isn't freezing. You don't get chapped lips. That's pretty much it for now. In the other video, I talked about the boots. So again, I'm a little guy. I got the Burton step-on boots in a 8.5, and they're too tight. So I ordered a 9. So you only have 30 days to return for a full refund minus like the UPS shipping. I think you still have to pay to ship it back. It's like $6. So those should be in either at the end of this week, beginning of next week. Then from there, I'll send one back. Hopefully the 9s are a little more comfortable. I didn't anticipate, when I ordered them, I didn't anticipate the having the thicker socks on. So I just ordered my regular shoe size. My buddy actually said he ordered a full size up. So I hope I'm not in a position where I have to order then a 9.5. I mean, if I do, it is what it is. I have plenty of time before the season starts. That's what I would recommend too. Another good point that a buddy of mine made, because I'm like, you know, it kind of sucks that, you know, if I have to swap all this out or exchange it, whatever it might be, returns and all that. But he's like, at least you are doing it when you have enough time to do it, and there's no pressure of like, oh, we're going next week, you know, or the possibility of snow. Like right now, it's it's August, so we're still the season starts like mid-late November around here in North Carolina. So you know, we'll see. I'm looking to go. Might have mentioned in the other video. I'd like to go between 3 and 5 times this year. So maybe like once a month kind of situation. That'd be cool. But as the other year comes in, I'll continue to make videos and hope you guys enjoy. Again, once it comes out, I'll put the link to where I bought everything. Yeah, as long as it works. I think the snowboard, which now the bindings are in there, as you can see. I had my buddy help me. These are the snap-on bindings, like this is it. Yeah, so it'll just snap on off. I got to get a wall mount for it though. But he said that he believes that this board is now a couple years old and that they're probably going to discontinue it soon. So I'm not sure if it will continue to be available or not, but I'll still put the link in there. Hopefully it's good for a while. And yeah, hopefully in the next few months here, we'll get some videos on the board with all the equipment at the top of the slope. All right, thanks for watching.